The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Pancake mix isn't just for breakfast, and beer isn't just for drinking. This pub-style beer battered fish fry combines a crispy golden beer batter with tender, flaky white fish for an irresistible classic. The carbonation in the beer creates tiny air pockets in the batter, producing an extraordinarily light and crunchy coating that locks in the fish's natural moisture. Ready in just 10 minutes of cook time, this recipe yields a crowd-pleasing plate that rivals any fish and chips from your favorite pub. Written ingredient list. 1/2 cup pancake mix, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Quantity ingredient 3/4 cup beer, 1 egg. Quantity ingredient peanut oil for frying. Quantity ingredient 2 1/2 pounds white fleshed fish fillets cut into 2-inch pieces. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Measure the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pancake mix, sugar, salt, and cayenne pepper. Whisk them together until evenly distributed. The cayenne pepper adds a subtle warmth that balances beautifully with the beer's malty sweetness. Adjust the amount up or down to suit your heat preference. Step 2. Cut the fish. Rinse the white flesh fish fillets under cold water and pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. Cut each fillet into uniform 2-inch pieces. Uniform sizing ensures every piece cooks at the same rate, so none end up overcooked or underdone. Cod, haddock, pollock, or halibut all work excellently here. Step 3. Add the wet ingredients. Pour the beer into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Crack in the egg. The beer's carbonation is the secret weapon. Those bubbles create the tiny air pockets that give the batter its signature light, airy crunch. Use a lager or pale ale for a classic flavor. A darker stout will produce a richer, more robust coating. Step 4. Mix the batter. Whisk everything together until a smooth batter forms. The consistency should be similar to pancake batter, thick enough to coat the fish in a substantial layer, but thin enough to drip slightly. If the batter becomes too thick as it sits, add a splash more beer to loosen it. Do not overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and help maintain the batter's delicate texture. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the oil. Pour peanut oil into a large, deep skillet to a depth of about 1 inch. Heat over medium heat until the oil is hot but not smoking, approximately 350–375 degrees Fahrenheit on a deep fry thermometer. Peanut oil is ideal because of its high smoke point and neutral flavor, but vegetable or canola oil are perfectly acceptable substitutes. To test the oil without a thermometer, drop a small dollop of batter in. It should sizzle vigorously and float to the surface within seconds. Step 2. Dip the fish. Working one piece at a time, dip the fish pieces into the batter, turning to coat them completely on all sides. Hold each piece briefly above the bowl to let excess batter drip back, ensuring an even, not too thick coating. This prevents clumpy spots and promotes even frying. Step 3. Fry until golden. Carefully lower the battered fish pieces into the hot oil, frying a few at a time to avoid overcrowding the pan. Overcrowding drops the oil temperature and results in soggy, greasy fish. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until the coating is a deep golden brown and the fish flakes easily when tested with a fork. Turn the pieces gently with tongs or a slotted spider to avoid breaking the delicate batter. Step 4. Drain and serve. Using a slotted spoon or spider, transfer the fried fish to a paper towel-lined platter to drain excess oil. Let them rest for a moment. This brief drain keeps the coating crisp rather than soggy. Serve immediately while hot and crunchy, alongside classic accompaniments, tartar sauce, lemon wedges, malt vinegar, and a side of crispy fries or coleslaw for the full pub-style experience.